Hi friends, Jay Sennett, another edition of Cooking with Jay. Thank you so much for watching. As always, hope all of you are doing well. And today I'm going to prepare for you a dessert. I don't make a lot of desserts because I don't eat a lot of desserts, but there are a few desserts I can make that are absolutely delicious. So today I'm going to make for you a brown butter banana or brown butter bananas with a butterscotch sauce. And butterscotch is one of my all-time favorite flavors to put in desserts. And I'm going to show you how I make this sauce. So let's go over to the stove and I'll show you how I put this together, this sauce together, and what I'm going to do with these bananas. So let's go over to the stove. All right. Ba-da-ba. Okay. Now in this saucepan right here, I have about 3 tablespoons of butter and about half a cup of light brown sugar. Okay, this is the beginning of my butterscotch sauce, and I'm going to turn this fire on here. You start melting the butter for the bananas, and you want to stir this constantly. Okay, until the sugar is mostly dissolved. And, well, I guess a minute or two till it smooths itself out. So basically, that's it for right now. Butter and brown sugar, light brown sugar. Now, if you notice how smooth that texture is getting in there, you can see that, right? Smooths itself out like that. And when it gets to that point, I want to slowly add about a third of a cup to a half a cup of heavy cream. All right, stirring constantly. Slowly put that cream in there. Ooh, yeah. Just a little bit more. And you can put this dish together fairly quickly, okay? So it's probably not quite a half cup of heavy cream. All right. You see that? Kind of has that butterscotch color too. It's really smooth. Okay, and there's one more thing I need to do with this. Ta-da-ba-ba. Let this butter over here in this saucepan. See, that's the drummer in me, the ambidexterity. Got this happen over here in my left hand and got the right hand stirring over here. That's independence, y'all, independence. Okay, so this is almost done here, the sauce. Now what I want to add in here, I'm going to turn the fire off, is add about a small teaspoon of salt, okay? Small teaspoon of salt in this butterscotch sauce. Okay, that's there. I'll let this brown butter, well, it's not brown yet, but it will be here momentarily. Turn that up just a little bit. Because what I'm going to put in here, move this over here, it's a little lemon juice right there. See, just took one banana, cut it in half, cut it in quarters. That's all I did with the bananas. So the bananas are going to go in this pot right here. You can see that butter turning brown. See that? See how that's turning brown in there already? Okay, so let's add the bananas. put the flat side down first. La 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 la. Ooh, baby. And here, my butterscotch sauce. Fire's off over here. Now, what I'm going to do while my bananas are cooking, I have my bowl that's been in the freezer. Keeping an eye out on that. I'm going to go get my scooper. Da, 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 da. Okay, do that. Ice cream there. All right. Now turn my bananas over. All right, look at this. All right, got beautiful brown buttered bananas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, back to my sauce, my butterscotch sauce. I want to add some chopped walnuts. Actually, I'll do that. I'll sprinkle them on when I do this with the ice cream. A spoon. And I think it's almost ready. Yes. I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, so let's go over, take this over to my ice cream. It's hot, so it's going to melt that ice cream a little bit. Okay, right there. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice in this butter. All right, just a little bit. Now spoon that over these bananas and ice cream. A little bit of that lemon juice. Okay. Now I'm going to add some of this butterscotch sauce. Put these pecans on top. Oh my goodness. Set this down. And we're almost ready. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. All right. There you have my brown buttered bananas with my butterscotch sauce with walnuts. Nice walnuts. It's a delicious dessert and it's so easy to make. You see how quickly I put that together? So, hope you enjoyed that. I'm Jay Sennett. Thank you for watching this edition of Cooking with Jay, which airs Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. Don't forget Sennett in Session on WHRO VFM, Monday through Thursday nights, 9 until 1, Saturday mornings, 1 until 5, Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5 on 89.5 WHRO VFM. And the R&B Chronicles I host on Friday nights from 7 until 8. I'm going to go have some of this delicious dessert. Be safe, and we'll see you soon for another edition of Cooking with Jay.
Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Cooking with Jay is now even more jazzy in my new home with my chef's kitchen. I'd love for you to check it out. Join me Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media. Let's get cooking.